What's up with these 50-year mortgages? President Trump has been floating around the idea of 50-year mortgage terms coming out when the traditional has been a 30-year fix for decades upon decades. Now, this would absolutely help first-time homebuyers because, of course, it will make it way more affordable for individuals to accomplish home ownership. Now, we do have some housing experts who disagree with the 50-year term because it is going to create individuals to get very comfortable by staying in that extremely low payment. Every month when you take a look at that mortgage statement, you're going to see a very, very small amount being applied towards that principal. Now, when staying in this kind of a trap, some could say, that would allow an individual to barely gain home equity while living in that home. Is this going to work and be a valuable tool? It's really going to depend on the home buyer's situation. DM me for more info.